Korea's autumn season is a feast for the eyes, painting the country in vibrant hues of red, orange, and gold. Mountains like Naejangsan and Seoraksan attract visitors with their breathtaking trails, lined with fiery maple trees and ancient temples that seem to glow in the autumn light. Urban areas like Seoul's Olympic Park and the Seoul Forest provide tranquil escapes within the bustling city, where locals enjoy leisurely strolls under canopies of golden ginkgo trees. Festivals celebrating the harvest season add to the charm, featuring traditional music, dance, and seasonal delicacies. Autumn in Korea is a harmonious blend of nature's grandeur and cultural richness, offering unforgettable moments for everyone. Slow down, soak in the vibrant hues, and let nature's beauty guide you. Will you catch the fall's golden moments?